guys, welcome back to another AMC video. Today we're going to be looking at rectangles and squares and this area problem. So a farmer wants to put 3 animals around these fences, and the fence lines are shown. I know they don't look straight, but you get the idea. The idea is he wants to use 60 meters of fence, right? Of fence. Now, how much area, what is the maximum area that he can cover, right, in his little farm, right, in meters squared, of course. So now what we're gonna do with this problem is simply approach it how you would usually approach these type of problems. We label this x, we label this y. The area is 3xy. Now what can we do here? Now we realize that 4x, because it's 4x plus 6y equals 60. So 3x plus 6, no, my brain just exploded. 2, no I didn't actually. Oh my god, okay, this is gonna be true, right? Now since this is true, guess what is about to happen. Now it's pretty guessable, right? We have x is equal to 15 minus 3 halves. Why? This should be gettable. Now you go to the area, right, and you input x in. So you get 15 minus 3 halves y times 3 times y, right? And you simplify to get minus 9 over 2y squared plus 45y. Yep. Now, because we want the maximum, okay? We want the maximum area, okay? What we're going to do is make sure that this expression we have, wait a minute, this expression we want it to have the maximum, right? Want it to have the maximum, and since we want the maximum, what we can do is use this expression and just find the vertex, if you know what I mean, okay? I mean, it's a quadratic, right? So for what value of y does this equation peak? And then we can substitute it in, right? So we just literally have to do something. Well, there's another way you could actually do this, right? The way you could do it is by completing, it's like completing the script. This is equal to this. It requires a bit of looking and eye factorization here. I hope you understand. And this is brilliant because what we can do is make it y minus 5 squared. We've basically completed the square, basically, okay? And of course there's this in front. And what you're left with, which is this here multiplied by this here. Now of course this requires some looking, which is a bit tricky. You get plus 225 over 2. Now what we realize is when y is 5, this goes to 0 and we have maximum value. So that's our maximum value, 225 over 2 or 112.5, and that is our answer in meters squared. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe.